Hey everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, and it will open the email info. The code is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is actually very similar to the previous one, and it will open the SAR level. So the code is *#07#. And as I said, we've got the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the hardware revision, and the code is *#888#. And as I said, we are in the hardware revision, so the engineer mode. Here we can check the PCB number. What's more, we can scan this QR code with another device and check some further details. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info, and the code is *#225#***. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the software info, and the code is *#6776#. And as I said, we are in the software version, so here we can check some details about the device. So for example, the exact model, the Android version which we've got currently applied, we've got the master date and the branch version, and PCB number, also the build time, and so on. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and the code is *#426#***. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics which are provided by Google. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and signal level should also appear right here. Let's tap on events, and here we've got some further details. What's more, we can tap on advanced view, just tap on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and tap on the status again. And as you can see right here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the firmware version, and the code is probably the easiest one. It is *#1234#. And as you can see, here we've got the firmware version, so just tap on OK. And let me show you another code which will open the feedback menu, and the code is *#800#. And as I said, here we've got the feedback menu, which simply means that if you meet any problems with your device, you can find the proper section connected to the problem and report it. So for example, we've got the screen option, so let's pretend that I've got some issues with the touch screen. Let's tap on it again. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to turn on the screen recording, and I highly recommend to simply always allow, because thanks to this, your device will be able to catch any problem. So let's tap on start. I don't know if okay. Okay, let's pretend that I've restarted the device. Let me tap on continue, and as you can see, the device is recording the screen. What's more, the pointer location has been applied, so the device will catch every move that I make on the screen, and it will try to detect the problem. After that, simply tap on next. Your device will process the log, and it will be simply reported to the developer. So you may receive some, I don't know, advice in order to, for example, make the work of your device better and how to fix the problems. So basically, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.